Bumble, the little bear with big ideas. Bumble splashed across the stream, then trotted up the hill. Grandma would be waiting, with cakes and cups of tea served with lots of honey. The little bear tapped on Grandma's door, but no one came. He knocked again. Where could she be? He wondered. 3 forest birds flew down. "Quiet," said Crow. "She's sleeping, you know." "She couldn't be sleeping," Bumble declared. "Grandma Bear is waiting for me." "Not true," Owl hooted. Bear set out for honey. She tripped on a root. "Hit her head," cawed Hawk. "I saw." "My grandma fell down?" gasped Bumble. He peered in the window. Sure enough, Grandma was asleep, with a big lump on her head. "Poor Grandma," Bumble cried. Then he had an idea. "Grandma loves flowers," he said. He ran to the garden and picked the flowers there, every single one. Bumble smiled as he tiptoed past Grandma. He put flowers in vases, jars, buckets, and bowls and set them all over the room. "She will be so surprised," he whispered. "Now, what shall I do next?" the little bear wondered. He saw 4 pots of paint. "I know," he exclaimed. "I will paint a door for Grandma." At first, he could not choose. Should he paint with red or yellow, blue or grassy green? In the end, he used all of the colors. He painted a picture on Grandma's front door. Bumble smiled again. She will be so surprised. Bumble saw dirty dishes in the sink. He washed them very carefully, saving Grandma's favorite cup till last. A cup so fine, its brim was trimmed with gold. Bumble held his breath as he washed that cup, held his breath as he rinsed. But just then, the forest birds came back, squawking. They mustn't wake up Grandma. He must hurry and make them hush. Bumble grabbed a cloth to dry. The cup slipped. It seemed to fly. Bumble reached to catch it, but he missed. Grandma's cup fell. Crash! Bumble ran. He stumbled to the door, tumbled out and hid. "Just look what that Bumble has done," fussed Owl. "He stripped her garden bare," squawked Hawk. "Grandma Bear will be angry, you know," said Crow. Bumble heard footsteps on the porch. He peeped through the railings. Grandma Bear was there. "Bumble did it all," called Hawk. "I saw." Bumble took a big breath and crawled out. "I wanted to surprise you," he said. "You did surprise me, Bumble Bear," said Grandma, "but the birds are wrong. I like my beautiful door." And she shooed the forest birds away. "I picked all of your flowers," Bumble wailed. Grandma just shrugged. "We will plant some more." The little bear gulped. But Grandma, that is not all. I broke your favorite cup, the one with the glitter gold rim. My cup? She gasped. There's not another one like it, not anywhere else in the world. A tear slid down poor Bumble's nose. But that is true of you, dear Bumble, too. There is not another bear like you, not anywhere else in the world. You are the best little bear in the forest. Bumble smiled. Shall I make us some tea? Grandma pulled him close. Let's make it together. And so they did. Bumble and Grandma had cakes and mugs of tea with lots of lovely honey, the way they liked it best.